Put this in the couch. In the box. Don't talk too much, love. You're talking too much. Ha? Black na. Ambot ka? Kaya dara ko lang man nakitaan sa gawas. Apigay na kung kamo nagpagawas ana. Sa sunod na sa ano, kabinet. Ipa-check ko lang Ate Buji later. Not yet, wait.
Mama, I'm coming.
No. We're going to the mountain together.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Mama, I'm going to the street.
To the what?
To the street.
No, we will go to the mountain. Did you pack your clothes?
Mom doesn't want to go to the mountain. It's okay if she can stay home.
I think she's joking.
No, she's sick. How can she go in the mountain? What if she's scared of the dogs, right?
I'll speak to Auntie, okay?
No, you don't need. You don't need Mom.
You don't need what?
To speak to her.
Why?
Because you're not the one to belong to that bedroom. You don't sleep there.
Did you go there today?
No.
So what fruit are you eating?
I don't like watermelon. Mango. I should put mango.
Okay, you wait for the eggs then. And this. You want this?
Mango.
Mango. Very sweet mango, right? Let me try also. One more?
Mom, that's papaya.
Okay, alright.
Mango. Mom, I know you love crackers.
I used to.
When you were a kid. You used to when you were a kid. Oh my God. Ew.
Wait for the egg. No more? I don't like.
One more. And one more, Mom. Only
Probably will wait for the egg.
Mom, one more.
The egg is coming.
You got two. You got. That's fine.
Okay.
Want to Mom go more?
Mm.
Okay. Mommy, I will eat my cracker.
Eat.
Mom, wait for the egg.
Wait for the eggs, okay.
Here. Egg, are you still back here?
Egg.
Not yet.
Egg is in the kitchen.
Egg, are you back here? Not yet.
Auntie is frying egg.
Egg, I could just gonna walk. You're not gonna walk egg.
Egg doesn't walk. Egg doesn't walk. What egg?
Egg, you think that you're walking? No, I'm not walking.
She's very funny.
Mom, take care of the egg while the egg is walking like this.
The egg is going to crawl, like roll over.
Yes. Then number 4. Llama, see with me. Next time, see with me. Oh no, number 4.
na daw? Ha? Matulog na daw ikaw? Matulog na? Ay, maaga pala nagising, alas 4 ng umaga. Kaya pala matulog na ikaw ng alas 8. Ha? Wow! Wow! Good morning, Mayumi! 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 Ay, good morning! Asa. Be. Wow, taba man ng legs. Uy! Wow! 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 Hati ka! Magpunta tayo sa bundok. Ha? Magpunta ka sa bundok? Sama kay mama? Sama ka kay mama? Ha? Hi! Hati! Good morning, Yummy. Good morning, Yummy. Hi, Yummy. Good morning. Good morning, Mayumi. I love you, Mayumi. I love you. I love you. I love you, Mayumi. Hello.
When we are on the airplane, reaching to the house with Ning, then we drive to Ning's house. Then we order for Papa shoes.
Not every time I have money, you know. Sometimes I can buy books, but not all the time. Let's go take a walk. When I get money, I will get them, okay?
I work for myself.
Because mommy is also working for our food, not so.
Yeah.
What is more important, the food or the shoes?
Shoes.
No. How about what are we going to eat then? If we have the shoes, can we eat the shoes?
I think very not nice words.
Yeah, but I'm asking you, what is more important, food or shoes? Chico, what is important, food or shoes?
Food.
You see, Chico vote for food. Can we eat shoes, Chico?
No.
No. Okay.
Yucky.
Yucky. Let's go.
Yucky food. Money.
Running you. I can hear.
I can bring the microphone.
That's okay. I can hear birds. I can hear birds. Can you hear birds?
That's bad words too.
Ay, nako. Chico. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon, guys. Malamig. At saka walang sikat ng araw. Normally, mainit na ganitong oras eh. Tsaka ma-humid. Pero ngayon, sobrang ganda ng dampi ng hangin. Layo na ng mga bata. Medyo dumadami na yung mga kapitbahay natin dito. Nakita ko yung security guard umikot na. Umiikot-ikot ganitong oras. So kapag gabi din, nag-uiikot din yung security guard. Buti naman. Up! That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Check your brother. Check. Okay, Calvi said sorry. Thank you, Calvi. Okay, let me see. What a strong boy. Strong boy.
Stand on this line. You go right. Leave a mark.
In your marks.
Wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
Calvi. In your marks.
Get
Get
set.
set.
Go.
Go na.
Wait.
Okay, what did you get?
Look at the white.
A rice on your shorts.
Mm.
Okay.
Look
Remove.
at this white.
You can remove the rice. Dumikit yung kanin, guys. Tinatanggal niya pa.
It's okay, Chico.
Kinain pa. Chico, don't eat. It's already an old rice on your pants.
Chico, it's okay.
Let me see. Ah, okay. It's an old rice, my love. There. Let me throw it.
I'll eat.
No, don't eat lang. Ay, salamat Lord. Nakaka-exercise yung mga bata. Hindi ko na sila mahabol. Slow down. Mommy's still here.
I got mom first.
Oh. Go on the side. When there's a motorbike, you go on the side. Go on the side. Now you can go and walk.
Yeah!
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah!
Sing like never before. Oh, my soul. My buntag. Worship your holy name. Wait. Guys, don't shout on people. Come on. Let Nanay sleep. Come on. Leave Nanay to sleep. Calby, we already spoke about this manners. Not so. Calby yung Mr. Contingency. Anong contingency? Tamo yan, Miss. Nakalimutan ko na. Yung pala kaibigan ba? Contingency. Walang hiya. Ginawang contingency yung anak ko. Calby. You are too angry.
Whoa.
You can do it. Remove the slipper, the stone. I was saying, do you see the house when it's not finished? It looks like this. No windows, no doors. Do you see?
I think they're going to get in over here.
Yeah, because it's still not done. There's nothing inside yet.
Mom, got this one.
What did you find? Show me.
The ball.
Where? Oh.
This is a shy one.
It's not a shy plant.
With a finger.
The shy plant, I think, is not here. Okay.
Hey, I can.
I'm not sure if it's poison enough. Don't touch. Maybe it's not good for you.
Let's try my poison.
No! It can go to your mouth and you will get sick. Let's go. We will look for your shy plant na lang.
This side, there's a lot of shy plants. This side.
Okay.
You see, there's a lot of shy plants this side.
Chico, this way. Not in the digger of rubble. Rubble's digger is there. Bye, Rubble.
Mama, I'll show you the shy plant. This is the shy plant.
Where's the shy plant?
Why is it shy?
Why is the plant shy?
Yeah.
Because God made them shy. If someone touches them, they close. Are you a shy boy?
No, I'm going to try to make friends in school first.
You will try to make friends?
Yeah.
I like that. Thank you. Where's the shy plants at? Oh, look at this.
Look, here. The body one.
Sabi ni Calby, be patient daw. Naghahanap pa daw siya ng shy plant. Okay.
Oh.
Is it the shy? Hey, Calby, be nice to the shy plant. Chico.
Look, there's more.
Ow.
Good night.
Good night.
Night.
Good night, shy plant.
Good night, shy plant. Bye.
Ay, Chico, be nice, anak. You are killing the plant. If you want to touch the shy plant, you touch with your fingers. Like that.
Okay.
Is it shy for you?
Yeah, shy. Closing now.
Okay, let's go. This way.
More.
Okay. No, Chico, just like this, oh. Okay, come. This way, no, this way. Okay, come. The shy plants are sleeping now. Let's go. Bye, bye, shy plant. We're going back home now. We have to pack our things for the mountains, not so. We are late. Mommy Shinchin is gonna pick us up. Let's go. No, that's not Mommy Shinchin's car. Wow, Calvi, since when do you run so fast? Salamat, Lord. Another day. Another amazing morning for my children. Up, 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 up. There's a hole. That's not a shy plant, love. That's not a shy plant. There's a hole. See, Chico, if you fall there, what do you say? What do you shout?
I shout like this. Ah, Mom!
And
Can carry me?
and you say, help!
Mom, did you hear my echo? Look at this.
Wow. Okay, that's enough. We are making noise for people who are sleeping. If you fall on the hole, Chico. A worm.
Walking.
It's crawling. Oh, it's going back. Oh, no, Chico. Chico. Oh my goodness, Chico. No, leave it. It will go back to its baby. No, Chico.
Why? Mama, why does now it's going back?
Because it's going back to its babies.
Not all the babies?
Yeah.
No, it's dead.
Chico. Let's go, Chico. Leave it.
The mom is walking now.
Yeah, let's go now. Leave it. Let's go.
Mom is dead now. Its baby is going to say, me. Right?
Yeah.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, worm.
Let's refresh, Mom.
Oh, I hear the birds.
Mom,
You are shouting. You are shouting.
2, 1.
Calvi, you're the fastest, and Chico too.
I'm always tired of running.
Calvi, can I ask you something? Do you miss Uganda?
Stop. You're
Okay.
so noisy.
You are shouting.
I don't have power.
Okay, don't worry. Calvi. What power do you want to have?
I want to have love power.
Power in your hands.
Yes, I want love power.
Love it. What's a love it?
Then I said, wow.
But
Mom,
yes,
Mommy put a super here. Mommy put a go here. Then I said, like this. Wow.
Don't. Uganda? Do you miss Uganda? Calvi, do you miss Uganda?
Uganda, I don't like Uganda.
No. What do you miss in Uganda? You miss Zuri?
Yeah, I miss Dewey.
Who else?
Alice and Emma. I want to play with them, but I don't want to grow up.
Why?
Because I want to be their friend when I'm still like this.
When you're still young.
Yeah. I said one and
One pump is not good.
for more back.
Do you want to go back to Uganda, Calvi?
Yes.
Or you want to stay in the Philippines?
I want to go back to Uganda.
To do what?
To go to my friends, say Chicha. I got a lot of nice Paw Patrol to sing. Like that.
And Ali and Nasri too?
Yeah, but because I miss my CD.
You miss your CDs too? But Philippines is also fun. You go to the mountain, right?
Yeah, I like this place, but Mom sleeping over it is just for real, if we could sleep in the house we went with Jerry, Maha, me, Ashley.
Like a hotel.
Yeah. When we got McDonald's, then we got coloring book. Then we saw a curtain.
What else do you miss in Uganda?
I just miss
In Africa.
I just miss my brothers, my friends. I want to show my teacher that I got my Papa chocolate, but she doesn't have an answer to call.
But now you have a new friends, going to be new friends in your new school, right?
Yeah.
With your new PE uniform.
Yeah, but even I miss Zuri and Alicia.
Auntie Sarah's kids.
Yeah, Zuri. I want to go to his house. She's always on something. Snacks. Delicious food she keeps in the fridge.
Auntie Sarah will laugh with your answer. She has delicious snacks.
Yeah. Zuri got so many things we look at.
But you also have a lot of toys, but you don't play with them.
Because they're all lost already. How?
How? It's at home.
Which home? Our home.
Yes, our home.
We keep our toys there. But now you throw away my cat
You
toy.
want to try to go up in that thing, the black thing?
Mom,
You try to go up in that thing.
but
Go. Be strong, hold tight. If you fall, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna hurt.
whoa.
Now that is the place for the security when he wants to check.
Hi. Let me get down.
Okay, slowly. Slowly. Very good.
Mom, carry me.
No, you can go down by yourself.
Mom, carry me.
Hold tight, Chico. Hold tight. Get down. The next step. Good. Next.
Hold on.
Slow down. Another step. Hold tight. Good. Next step. Good. You see, you're almost down. Kalbi, are you proud of your brother? He came down.
I win.
Yay! Good job. Fist bump. Fist bump. Nag-bless. No, fist bump on the hand. Good job. Fist bump. Let's go. Time to pack our things.
My house.
High five. Oh, look at your hands. Look at your hands. Open your hands. Oh, no. Time to shower. Let's go. And put on your jackets. We're going to the mountain. Not bungkag. Say maayong buntag. Chico, say maayong buntag. Chico, very good man. Mag-speak Bisaya. Good morning, guys. May mga langaw pa din. Marami pa lang nag-comment dun sa post ko about dun sa langaw version. Langaw episode. Tawang-tawa ako, guys, kasi akala ko nung una hindi ko na-gets yung ano ng langaw. Kada pag napuno yung papel, nilalabas namin or binibilad namin sa araw, pagbalik namin yung mga langaw na parang mga ano siguro sila 1,437 na langaw. Yung nakadikit sa papel, nagiging parang ano siya, parang buhangin yung itsura. Ngayon, akala ko nung una, nakre-cremate lang siya ng kanya. Parang, uy, nakremate yung langaw sa init ng araw. Akala ko ganun. So, later on, na-realize ko, nilalanggam pala yung mga langaw. So, nung nilalanggam ang langaw, parang kinakain nila hanggang sa nagiging parang buhangin siya. Ngayon, yung kapatid ko, dumating kahapon. Kahapon, sinundo ako si may-ari ng ukay-ukay, si Madam Georgie. Ngayon sabi niya sa akin, okay, kaya pala dapat wag nating kainin yung mga tinapay na may merong langgam kasi baka yung kinain ng langgam bago yung tinapay is yung langaw. So napaisip ako, tama nga naman kasi normally kapag may mga pagkain dito sa bahay, I will not deny at huwag tayong magpaka-ipokrita na pag may langgam yung pagkain natin, tinatanggal natin yung langgam, kinakain pa rin natin yung pagkain. Or minsan kahit may langgam wala tayong pakialam. Now napaisip ako, paano kung yung langgam is galing doon sa mga langaw at kinain yung mga langaw bago napunta doon sa tinapay. So tawa kami ng tawa kahapon. Itong kapatid ko talaga nag-overthink tuloy ako dahil sa kanya. Pero anyway, maraming nag-comment sa akin doon na siguro ay merong poultry farm malapit dito sa area namin. Well, hindi lang naman ako nakapansin na maraming langaw this season dahil nga daw maulan. May mga langaw din sa ibang area pero dito sa amin talaga parang mas marami. Kasi tama po, merong poultry dyan lang ahead. Mga around 1 or 2 kilometers away galing dito sa bahay. Siguro harvest time ng mga manok nila kasi merong dyan, chicken farm. Tapos dito siguro nagbahay-bahay yung mga langaw. So may mga nakakaalam talaga kasi nabasa ko yung mga comment. Medyo nabawasan naman yung mga langaw guys. Dati talaga parang dito yung kanilang party hub. Pero ngayon parang konti na lang sila dito. Yung iba siguro lumipat na. Though naglalagay pa rin ako ng papel. Ayan, may papel pa rin kami dyan. At marami pa rin yung mga langaw na nakukuha. Pero at least nababawasan na pagbukas ko ng pinto, hindi na masyadong malangaw. At sobrang maulan lately. Ayan. Kailangan ko na palang magpabakod, no? Buti na lang andyan yung mga security guard gabi at saka umaga. Tsaka malapit tayo sa security guard house. Kaya kitang-kita talaga lahat ng mga pangyayari at kaganapan. Pinalipat ko na yung aking mga halaman. Maraming salamat sa nag-donate. Dito ko na lang nilagay para medyo green naman yung area dito. Ayan. Kasi mga outdoor naman to na mga halaman eh. Hindi siya pwede sa hindi siya pwedeng hindi mainitan. Ito kailangang pinturahan. So far so good naman guys.